Oh, getting cold. Get up here by your nest mate. Banded our first 2024 birds. Got a couple more there that are gonna get banded in the next day or so. Some gonna hatch there soon. Did you hatch already? Oh, she hatched. This one just laid and started setting, so gonna hatch there soon. Got one down here. Did you hatch yet? Nope. One didn't hatch yet. Those guys are thinking about it. I don't think they laid anything yet. Got a couple hatched here. About ready to band them. And another nest there. 2024 birds are coming along. Got a couple over there. Setting. Oh, what's that egg doing? Oh, what? That one's setting there too. So those two boxes are coming along. Hey, what are you looking at? I got a couple over here I need to band too. They're getting pretty big. That's one of the parents there. I love these yellow grizzles. It's one of the parents to these guys. We're gonna put some 2024 bands on these yellow grizzles. Got another yellow grizz nesting there. And then, oh, I didn't realize we hatched up here. Hatch there, oh, and one hatch there. So we'll get a band on that guy too.